Hello everyone, I'm going to demo our part of the project E1869, grading audit trails. So basically our work is to add grading records for submission, grades, and review grades. So under assignments, we can go to view submissions, and you can see there's a grading history, and I already put a grading history for this one, so you can see as instructor 6, which is the logging and assignment, and grade receiver, which is the entire team, and that's the grade and comment, and also on the timestamp. Okay, let's go back. We can do assign grade again to modify it. Let's say that okay, saved it, and then we go back to grading history. You can see that it's also update over here as well, and it does the same thing for the review grades. So we go to view review report, yeah, it just take a while to load. That I think is because I merged it again and someone's feature is already here. So anyway, there's a great history already here that is being entered 99, and good job. We can go into the grading history, we can see it, and we can also modify it and leave the same. Click on the save and check the grading history. Yep, it's update. It just takes a while, and we can try to just add a new grade. So basically each grading history is separately to different grade receiver. So for review, it's for a student, and that's their name over here. But in the database, what we do is save their ID, so it's best for future use. On the code level, so let's see, in the schema we have a grading history table, which including instructor ID, assignment ID. These two are foreign keys, and there's a grading type, which it's either a submission grade or a review grade. And then the grade receiver ID is based on which type of assignment. So it's going to be either a team ID or a student ID. And that's the grade and comment. And that's the model for grading history, and that's the controller. Basically, we just get the grade receiver ID, either a team ID or student ID, and send it to the index page. And on grade controller, we just add each time an instructor clicks save, it also creates a new grading history. It does the same on the review mapping controller. So every time the save is clicked, there's a new grading history is created. And on the index page, next the grading history index page, and that created at is the timestamp that generate automatically from the database. Next, review report. Next for the web page grading history, that it's corresponding to this. And there's one more on list submissions, and here is the grading history over here that is corresponding to that. Okay, thank you. Hope to see you on the demo.